It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
Doing a little cleanup work today. Think you'll like this, JD. I put heat sinks on the RC receiver. Just a couple, and they stick up in the wind. So not only did I remove the tape, I added even more temperature control. I also added a nice big heat sink to the video transmitter, and again, it's in the wind. Just little stuff. Well, it has a heartbeat, but it's not completely healthy. Got ailerons. Don't have the boom on, so I can't show rudder. And you have a motor. That's about all I can show right now. And I do have one little problem. The video transmitter over there on that wing, over there on that wing, isn't coming on. I'm not sure what the problem is. There's no smoke. Other than that, so far everything seems to be pretty good. I attached the elevator servo and just put the tail section right here on the table on the bottom, and you can see when I pull back on the elevator, it goes up, pushes forward, it goes down. So there's movement, motor, and I will proceed from here. Like I say, so far the video transmitter right there, that 4-conductor cable that I had so much problems with the connectors, just had so much problem with it. I didn't like it, wasn't happy with it. Look, it isn't working. And if we look up here on the screen, of course you saw that the RC receiver was working. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to do stick movements and them show up in the surfaces. And it is set up CRSF, and it works out of the box. Nothing extra needed. You can see my GPS right up here on the screen came up with, let me go ahead and disarm this. I did put it in manual mode here and arm it here physically so I could test the motor. So we'll just go ahead and disarm it. And you can see right here, even in the basement, which frequently lately I could not get GPS lockup. I got 11 satellites in the basement. I think this is going to do killer outdoors. So that's just the basic first time power up. So far it's been powered up on a battery for about 10-20 minutes. There's no smoke, but again, there's no video transmitter either. And I do have a whole other Skyhunter in a box behind me. So I can do something about that wing. That wasn't really the way I wanted to use that for spare parts from the get-go though. But that's a little bit of what I have found today when I started the flight controller setup, electronic setup. It's more than just the flight controller. It's also the receiver, the transmitter, the GPS, the airspeed sensor, which I haven't tested the airspeed sensor yet. It's just going to be hard to turn that around on the table too. So that's it for this video. Don't know what else to say at this time except it's alive. I did end up turning it around and putting some wind on the airspeed sensor, and it works. So only problem I have right now is that darn video transmitter over here on this wing right there.